following message is transmitted at the request of the Wyoming Emergency Management Agency in conjunction with the Natrona County Fire Department. At approximately 11:26 a.m., a wildfire has started near the city of Casper. Due to the ongoing conditions, a mandatory immediate evacuation order is issued for Natrona County. Gather your pets and family and evacuate now. Take with you a supply of water, food, and unperishable food in the case you will have to go to a shelter. This concludes the use of the emergency alert system. You may now resume normal programming. The following message is an update on the wildfire that started in Natrona County this morning. The crews are right now fighting the fire. Progress has been made, and we expect for the residents of Natrona County to return in about 1 to 2 days. Thank you for your cooperating with the Natrona County Fire Department. Stations may now resume normal programming.